Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about the Get Swatch and what it is, the Get Swatch. Here is the swatch that I make, and I will share with you more about that, why it's so important when you make a crochet garment, and how to make the swatch that will match with the pattern that you are reading, that you are working on. This is the swatch of half double crochet using the hook 4mm hook, and usually the Get Swatch that asks you to do, let's talk about Ravelry, in always 10 centimeter multiply 10 centimeter or 4 inches multiply 4 inches, because 10 centimeter is a 4 inches. Oops, yeah, 10 centimeter is a 4 inches. So in my pattern I only use inches, but if you have a tape measurement that have both, it's very good, because I think some author designer they might use centimeter. So I also want to say how important to have a tape measurement. This one is so cute. My husband present me for my birthday, and we got it from Fair Trade online shop. I think this is from Vietnam. Yeah, so if you have a tape measurement, it's very useful because it's going to teach you how to, the tape measurement won't teach you. I will teach you to measure your body, but you will need the tape measurement to be able to measure your body and also to be able to measure your swatch. And before I show you how to do the Get Swatch, which is very easy, if you can make chain and half double crochet, you can make this swatch. But if you make the pattern that requires single crochet or double crochet, and they say the swatch need to be single crochet, you will need the swatch of single crochet, made of single crochet. And if the pattern requires for the swatch of double crochet, you will have to do that. And today I want to make this because last year I made a video talk about the swatch, but I did differently. Last year I was more strict about when you apply to be my tester, you will always have to use the same hook size when you test my pattern. But I realized that the hook can change the size even though you are during the testing process, but the yarn have to be the same size. And why? Because if you change both of the hook and the yarn, then it will not match with the pattern that I have written. So when you want to apply to be part of the team, you will need to learn about the swatch so that you know when we're talking about the Get Swatch in our testing circle, testing process, testing party, you will understand what it is about. And also for those who are following me for some years now and have learned many video tutorial and have made many top without the Get Swatch, without knowing the Get Swatch, because you just do from the video and also learn by your understanding, which is great. But I think it is time for us all to learn the new thing. I love learning new thing, and I love sharing the knowledge about crochet with you. So if you want to know about this and want to step up, you are learning about crochet and want to be able to make all of my written pattern, understand my way of writing the pattern, then keep on watching. So yeah. I hope this video make it clear to you. If you still have any question related to get swatch, make sure to leave them down below this video, and I make sure to answer you and help you to understand everything. I think it's very important to know about the get swatch. Like I said, if you want to make it fit you perfectly, always look for the get swatch and do your best to make it fit the way the designer have designed the pattern for you. Alright, enjoy your crochet journey, and I will come again with another video to help you get better and better with crochet. If you have any suggestions about crochet tips or anything that you need to know, anything you want me to talk about, just also leave them down below under this video and I will make that video for you. Have a beautiful day. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.